So this is what we're calling the shape shifting. So we're going to move from the pole setup to the smart handle. So I'm going to remove my mobile device, and I'm going to take this Skadi off of the range pole the same way I put it on. So it's spring-loaded clips. Just push it to one side and pop it off. And then we're going to mount the smart handle. So it's a two-step process. First is we need to remove the battery from the Skadi. We just use these two tabs, pull those back and remove the battery. And the nice feature on the Skadi is that it has an internal battery that will allow it to run up to 15 minutes without a battery installed. So even though I've removed this battery, the Skadi is still on and tracking, getting RTK, all of that, which allows me to install the smart handle into the battery compartment and then put the battery into the smart handle. Once
Extensible pull mode.
It tells me audibly that it's in extensible pull mode, which is the default mode for the smart handle. Last thing is put your mobile device in the mount. And ready to go.